Hey there, English learners. I'm Robert. Today we're going to use the simple present tense for general truths.
Robert teaches English.
Please enjoy the following conversation between two beautiful men who speak only in the simple present tense using only general truths. Today is a beautiful day. Yes, it is. You know what though? It smells like fish out here. You're right. It's strange too because we don't even live near the water. I don't even like water. Do you like water? Oh yes, I love the water. And I enjoy the smell of fish. Oh, my tea is too hot. You're an idiot. Some people are idiots. Are you mad now? No, I'm just sad. You're beautiful. I'm sorry. It's okay. You're beautiful too. So you may have heard that a general truth refers to something that is true now and is always true. This doesn't really work for me. I like to break down general truths into their four most common uses. I find that general truths are very useful for sharing observations, sharing facts or opinions, sharing your likes or dislikes, and sharing traits and states. When we share an observation, we share something that we notice around us. Here are some examples from the conversation. Today is a beautiful day. It smells like fish out here. Oh, my tea is too hot. When we share a fact or opinion, we either share something that we know to be true, for example, the sky's blue, or we share an opinion, something that we believe or feel. Cats are wonderful. Here are a couple examples from the conversation between the two beautiful men. We don't even live near the water. You're an idiot. Some people are idiots. General truths are also helpful for sharing what you like and what you dislike. Here are some examples from the video. I don't even like water. Do you like water? Oh yes, I love the water. And I enjoy the smell of fish. Finally, general truths are very useful for sharing your state or a trait. Your state being how you feel or how someone feels. I feel very happy right now, or I am happy. A trait being how something or someone is. I am blonde. You are beautiful. Both of these tend to use the to be verb. Here are a couple examples from the conversation. Are you mad now? No, I'm just sad. You're beautiful. I'm sorry. It's okay. You're beautiful too. So there you go. Those are the four most common uses of general truths that I find helpful in understanding what they are. Any questions? Yes.
Hey, Robert. I like to tell people that I am rich, but I am actually not rich. Is this still a general truth?
Technically, we would still consider this a general truth, although maybe we should change it to general truths, lies, and opinions. Good question. Oh, you.
Hi, Robert. Is my question a general truth, even though it's a question?
Good question. Yes. All of these can be turned into negative statements or questions. That's all for now. If you have any more questions, please comment below. The next video will focus on using the simple present tense for habitual actions. As always, thank you for learning with me. You're doing a great job, and I believe in you. See you in the next one. Oh, Minu, you are beautiful too. Yes, you are. Oh, Minu, you are beautiful too. Oh, Minu, you're beautiful too. Oh, You're beautiful too.